When we came across this emergency food supply by ReadyWise, we knew we had to have it. One of the coolest things about it is that it actually has a shelf life of 25 years. So basically, all of this can just sit somewhere, whether it be in like a bunker, whether it be in like, your little cabinet, your closet. It will be safe and edible for up to 25 years. So there are different kinds of buckets. We have the entree bucket, and there are lots of different options in here, and there are 60 servings total, and they come in bags like this, and all you have to do is add hot water. You want to continuously be stirring it, and then you will in 15 minutes have like actually really delicious food. So I am going to be making one for you on camera just to show you how quick, how easy it is. And yeah, actually it is really, really tasty. It's one of the more tastier packets I have ever tried. So today I am going to be trying the Southwest rice and beans, but just to give you a very quick idea, they have like cheesy macaroni, tomato and basil soup. They have creamy pasta and vegetables. There are so many different options, and each one on the top tells you like how many servings each of them come with. So inside the bucket just kind of looks like this, where you have all of the different packages, and written on the package, it says what it is. So let's go ahead and make one and see what it looks like. So there's a little packet inside. You want to make sure you take that out. That is actually what's going to help preserve it for 25 years. We're going to just go ahead and dump it into a pot here. And I have my 4 cups of boiling water, which I'm just going to dump right in there already. Like, look at that. This is as I said, the Southwest rice and beans. We've got some corn in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover this and check on it every now and again and give it a little stir. We'll be right back. Okay, so I have had this covered for 15 minutes. I've stirred it a couple of times. This one is definitely on the watery side, whereas when we did the mac and cheese, it wasn't. There was no water. It absorbed everything. So this one, I'm thinking like it could be more like a soup style, or you can just drain the water if you want. But I'm just going to kind of like try it like a soup. Haven't tried it yet. No clue what it tastes like. But as you can see, there are chunks of beans and carrots and peppers, and there's the rice in there. So I am interested to, let's see if we can get like a little bit of everything in there just to see if it's cooked properly, because hard rice is not fun. Yeah, like everything is cooked properly. Oh, it's got some good flavor. Honestly, other than just like some black pepper, this is pretty good. I mean, we bought this as like and again, emergency food supply. We do live somewhere where we have hurricanes. We don't know when grocery stores will be open. I was eating like gross, like canned, you don't even want to know. This is way better. Which is great. By ReadyWise, tons of different options. We got the entree pack, but you can get veggies, meats, desserts. Highly suggest.